Hi, TexTale, menswear clothing company, comfort, style, but they really focus on water resistance, stain repellent, or stain resistance, and what they call silky soft, which is super soft on the skin. I previously did a video on TexTale that goes a little bit more in depth about the company as well as an unboxing and the water and stain repellent test, actually on this shirt, this TexTale shirt that I'm wearing. I'll link that in the description as well as the corner of this video so that you could check that out. But for this video, they sent over a few more pieces to show you a little bit more of a range of the products that they have in their collection. So we're gonna unbox them, show them how they fit, and of course the tests. Let's get into it. So the packaging, these can also be used as laundry bags. The shirts came in this as well, and just the quality of the packaging, you know, it's top notch. It's one of the best ones I've seen. Product packaging, very important. These are the fresh Stain-Repel shorts in Dune, size small. They feel like swimming trunks, which would be really ideal for swimming, but also running, because I sweat a lot around the waist. They're shorts. I'm used to, lately I've been wearing shorts with the lining on it, so I was like, something's missing. But no, there's no lining on the inside for these. You can see the pockets. It's a good color. We have two side zipper pockets, which is excellent for storage and excellent for when you're running or working out. You could keep your belongings secure. You have the elastic waistband, obviously, on shorts like this. Fairly stretchy, and then you have this adjustment to make it tighter. And then on the back, you have one zippered pocket. Decent storage space, and actually there's actually another webbed hidden pocket, more secure pocket I guess, a hidden pocket inside the right pocket as well as the left pocket. So this is smaller, so great for like keys, if you're carrying keys. And then you have, looks like some perforated holes on the back side for ventilation. All right, on to the next. So this is the Fresh Stain-Repel Signature Tee, medium white. And this is the exact same one, different color. Nice and crisp. This is a size medium. There's no logo or tag or information on the back of the collar where you normally find it. Instead, when you turn the shirt over to the back, on the bottom, you'll have the TexTale logo. It's printed on like a rubberish type of text right here, and it's usually in the same color of the shirt, so it blends in. On the other corner, on the inside, you'll have the sizing information. It's probably really hard to see because it's white on white, but hidden, subtle, just a clean white crisp tee, or a clean crisp tee. So this is the signature, again, this one. Now this is the exact same thing, the Fresh Stain-Repel tee, but the relaxed fit. Feel exactly the same. And just looking at it, you know, it's wider, relaxed fit. No tags, but you have the printed information right here on the back of the collar, TexTale, medium. And you also have it on the back side as well, TexTale. Last one, this is the Fresh Rain-Repel hoodie in medium, same color, Dune. Color, Dune, size medium, fairly thick. The interior kind of feels like a French terry texture. The pockets up front, like a normal kangaroo pocket, except these, it's separated inside. So it's two separate pockets. And I think there's also a sub pocket, another pocket inside on the right side. I can feel that right here. Same thing, the webbed, like the shorts. Two standard drawstrings. Looks like a pretty big hood. There it is. All right, let's get it on. Camera is vertical so that you could get a better view and more focus on the fit, because if I shoot at landscape, I've noticed you get a lot more of what's out here and less of the outfit. So, all right, I'm gonna be on my tippy toes. So, here we go, starting with the shorts. I'm 5'9", 155 pounds. Okay, so let me tuck in the shirt so you can see the shorts. Okay, so this is my hip bone right here. This is how they fit. So above my knees, about 1, 2, 3-ish inches above my knees. Good length. You got the back side, again the zipper pocket right here. The ventilation with the perforated holes. 2 zipper pockets on the side with more, like a webbed pocket, smaller webbed pocket on the inside for storage. Zippered. Secure that. And the zippers are also hidden with this tiny little flap kind of. You have the adjustments. I am a 31 waist and have about that much room to spare. Fits comfortably, not too tight, but it feels fitted. So when I'm working out, it's good. It's a good amount of room. Down here, yep, it's not restricting if you want to do squats or any type of exercise. Good movement, good flexibility, and the adjustment, you just squeeze it, because there's a tiny little spring on the inside to release, and when you want to tighten it, just pull it in. My waist, I don't really feel the need to tighten it, it just fits perfectly. So again, 31 waist, this is a size small. Now for the shirt, let's untuck it. 5'9", 155 pounds, this is how it fits. Just like that blue shirt I was wearing. It's more fitted up in the armpit area, but it doesn't touch my armpit. Have about 1.5 inches to 2 inches from the shirt to the inside of my armpit. A lot of stretch. Amount of stretch. Lots of stretch. Soft on the skin. And it feels casual, but also if I want to work out in it, perfect for it, and has a good length as well. And then a smaller collar compared to the relaxed tee. The relaxed tee. Definitely feels relaxed. It's big, but it doesn't feel oversized. It feels like there's enough room for you to freely move around. Obviously no restrictions, more breathability because there's more room. Good amount of stretch. Longer sleeves, good length, and a thicker collar. Last one, hoodie. 5'9", 155 pounds. This is a size medium. Feels good, comfortable, lots of room to freely move around. I feel like medium is a good size. I feel like a small would be a little bit more, obviously more fitted, but a little too fitted for my taste. So medium is good. I like my hoodies with a little bit more room on the inside. So, you know, you want to be comfortable and you can move around. Kangaroo pocket right here, which is separated with stitching, and on the inside there are 2 webbed pockets for smaller items. The webbed pocket actually on the right pocket is bigger than the one on the left, but nobody could tell they're 2 separate pockets. You have the hood, good size, look at that. Good size hood, drawstrings, looks like plastic tips. Good length on the sleeves, ribbed cuff. It's not tight at all. Enough room, lots of room. and the good length. As you can see, with my arms not showing my belly, which is always good. Feels good, fits good. Again, 5'9", 155 pounds, and this is a size medium. Both shirts are a size medium. Shorts are a small, and I have a 31 waist, size small. Fits good. Now, let's test it. Okay, first test, hoodie. So the sweater, pretty much dry. Actually, it is dry. And I did the water test and the stain repellent with coffee in the previous video, so if you want to watch that, again, link is in the description. For the hoodie though, the drawstring, not water repellent, it's soaked. But I'm not worried about the drawstring because this would be perfect to wear in the rain. I get wet, I'd be okay because the drawstring is not touching me. Let's try the hood. I thought I missed, but yeah, it rolled off. Dry. So, uncut. Let's see how close we can get it. See that? The only thing that's getting wet are my feet and the ground. This is the signature tee. Again, I wore this in blue, did the test with coffee and water, but we're gonna do it again with water. The relaxed tee. Do it where shadows not. It's getting all over my feet, but my shirt's dry. All right, lastly, the shorts. See that? Dry. Just feeds off. Oh, actually, you see that? So the lining where the zipper is, the zipper lining gets wet. But that's why you close it, because on the inside, it's not wet. So keep that zipper closed if you're gonna get wet. Everything else is fine, but the lining does get wet. Try it on this side. It's cold on my leg. Yep, so the lining is wet. Let's dry off that. Let's check the inside with my dry hand. You're good. Dry. So again, close your zipper. Everything's protected. Pants itself, protected. Dry. We did the unboxing, we did the fits, and now we did the tests. Now you know what TexTale is all about. You've seen a range of their products as well as the water repellent, which is still probably one of the best water repellent products I've ever tested. And it's also comfortable too because I wear it on the daily. I know I've said this a few times throughout the video, but if you want to learn more about the company and see some more tests, especially with coffee, I linked that in the description below. That's the first unboxing I did, so go check that out. It is an affiliate code, so anytime you use that code, it does help out the channel, which in turn allows me to make these videos for you guys. But at the same time, save you some cash, save you some money. Yeah, thank you TexTale for sending this over so that we could review it. And thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Catch you in the next one. Peace.